Okay. Go through is what we have done till now. I'll go through it quickly, explain the topics what we have done quickly, 5 minutes. Let me know if you can see my screen now. You see my screen, right? Anyone remember what are the things we have done till now? Topics, concepts. Right. So we have done R3 architecture. R3 architecture we have done. What is the meaning of R3? What is R3? Hello. What is R3? Okay. What is the architecture of SAP? How many layers will be there?
3 layers.
3 layers. What are the 3 layers? What are the 3 layers of SAP?
Presentation, application, and database.
Presentation layer and application layer and database layer. What is the purpose of this one? All these 3. Is my voice clear to you all? Hello. What is the purpose of this layer? What is the purpose of this layer? What is the purpose of this layer? Anyone? This is architecture of SAP. What is the purpose of each of this one? Hello.
The presentation layer defines the user interface which the users will use. Then for the application layer, it defines all the backend programs.
Execution, we can say.
Execution.
Execution of all the programs will happen here.
And for the database layer, it will store the tables and our data.
Data, correct. So whatever we are doing the SC11, right? SC11 will be part of application layer or DB layer? SC11 we are doing, right? That will be presentation layer, application layer or DB layer? SC11. What is the purpose of SC11? SC11, we log into SC11 through presentation layer only. Okay. Once you create a table, right? Once you check the syntax and activation and all will happen here in this layer. And once activation is done, right? Table will be stored, structure of the table and data will be stored here. This is the flow. Clear concept? Hello? So package we have done, transport request we have done. What else we have done? tables we have created. How do we have inserted the data into the tables? Using which concept? Which transaction code? Data should be entered into the tables.
SM30.
SM30. Why we need SM30? Why not from SC11? Why not from SC11? Anyone? User, right? User will insert the data. User can have access only for SM30. Okay. SC11 will be having the access to whom? SC11. SC11 will be having the access by whom? To whom? Who will access the SC11 T code day to day in the projects? 3 people, right? Developers, functionals, users. Who will use this SC11 day to day?
Developers.
Developers, correct. Developers. Okay. So to insert the data through SM30, what is the mandatory concept? What are the important things should be taken care? Whenever you try to insert the data through SM30, before that you need to generate some TMZ or not? TMZ. What is TMZ? What is the purpose of TMZ? What is the full form of TMZ?
Table maintenance general.
Generator. Correct. What is the purpose of that? Purpose. It will generate simple generate screens and corresponding program okay and corresponding will generate screens and corresponding programs for these corresponding programs for inserting the data into the tables. This is a simple definition. So one step, two step. What is one step? What is two step? Anyone? Open your TMG screen. No? Go to table, any table. No? Open your TMG screen. What is one step? What is two step?
Like in one step, like all the data is maintained in under one screen.
Correct.
Like
Correct.
data entry, editing, we all will be doing in one screen. But in
Correct,
two step, first we will select a record, then we will edit in other screen.
Oh, actually, in one screen, for every new record to enter, right? It will ask the record by record you can insert into the table in the two screen method. One screen method is at a time you can insert more than one record. right? If I go to here, so one step you practice it. So maybe I think I've explained two step already, all the cases. So one step you practice it so that you can answer easily in the interview. Okay. Next, what is the next concept we have done? Domain, right? What is the domain? Sorry, data element. What is the data element purpose? Data element. Simple definition, what do you say? What is the meaning of data element if anybody asks?
It is used to give the data type.
To the
Used to give the data type.
Data fields, right? That is important. Data type. It is used to define the data type for the data element. Sorry, to the table fields. There is one more use is there. Main use. You can use also data element as a data type to your variables in the program. This is the program. Inside the program, okay, you can create a variable. This is the program. You can create one variable data. Okay. So suppose v underscore employee number type. Data statement is to declare the variables in ABAP. Type, and then you can copy paste the data element name. Data element name, this one. With the data element. So you can use the data element here. To declare the variable here. This is the main one important purpose, this one. After type here. It's the global data type. Data element is a global data type. That should be clear. Is the global data type. Means we can use in the multiple tables and programs. Global data type. Okay. Next, what is the domain? Anyone, what is the domain?
Data types that can be used inside the data.
Elements, correct. This is also one data type only. You can use in multiple data elements. Data element 1. Data element 2. You can give a fixed values and all, right? Like male and female, what I said in the last session. Data element 1, data element 2. Data element 3. You can use the same thing here. Have you done create a data element or not? Last class I showed you, right? We did it. Anyone challenges? Anyone you faced? So what we do is quickly, okay, I'll use 10 minutes time. You create a two tables, Z, MAH underscore more. This is one table. Other table is Z, MAH underscore MARC table. Okay. In this table, open both all of you table parallelly. Log into SAP. Log into SAP, all of you. Get into SAP. Tell me what are the fields available from Mara and Marcy. From top to at least 5 fields, you ping me in the chat window. We'll wait for 5 minutes. I'll wait for 5 minutes. Get into SAP system. Go to table Mara and MARC. List out the field names from this table 5 fields. From this table 5 fields. Field names you can find here. Right? All of you know. Go to his level. Right? Suppose if I go to Mara, click on display. Okay, these are the field names. This is one field. One field. Don't take include. This is not a field. This is one field. This is one field. This is also field, but yeah, you can take other than the date and time. Other than the date and time, you take. Like this, you take quickly 5 minutes time. You should put in the chart window. Done. We are able to find out fields, 5 fields from each table. Can anyone put in chart window? Hello? So now we are not able to read. Hello? Question understood, right? What I said? Okay. So MANDT, MATNR. So fields, right? You can write the fields. So you have to create a table. MANDT, MATNR. Okay. And one of the three fields is that you can take with the whole course also. I'll take these fields only for a practice purpose. These fields: material type, MTRT, MBRS is MTRT, MTRT, MBRS, okay, MATKL, MEINS, these fields. So create a new table with these fields. I'll wait for 5 minutes. Create a table with these fields. You can open parallel Mora table. You should create your own table with these fields. Data elements, domains also you should create yourself by seeing the standard. See here. I'll tell you, I'll show you one. If I go to here, right? If I go to MTRT, double click here. There is a domain here, data element domain. Double click the domain. You should create your own domain the same way how it has been created here. You can use this table also in your domain. Okay, this is one table. Second table is from MARC. So which fields you should take is, you should take MANDT, okay, MATNR, works, okay, and what else? EKGRP. This field also is there in MARC table. Go to MARC table. MARC. Click on display. Right? MATNR works. Okay. Purchasing group. The purchasing group. Okay. And this field also. Material MRP type. MRP controller. DASM. DASMM. DASMM. Okay. And one more field. DASMM. DASPP. DASPO. create two tables with the above field names and also data elements and domains we should create. Same as standard tables, Mora and Morse. Take the reference I put in the chat window and as well as in the WhatsApp. Chat window. Okay, I put in the chart window also. Do it now only. Do it quickly. So I'll give 15 minutes time. Very, very important with practice with focus in mind so that we can reduce the time required for any task. So timers, I am going to give you a 15 minutes time. No? Start. Time started. Two tables you should create. You know all how to create a table, what is the first field, what is the primary key. Primary key, any doubt, you should check the standard table. 7 minutes left, 8 minutes left. Five minutes left. Done. Completed. All copy paste only, right? So we have to create just copy paste from the existing one. You should open parallel more than one session, copy and paste. These all skills are very important in the projects also. That is the aim of this training, to make you be first in the alternative windows to I mean, navigate, take the data, copy. Okay, understood. All this is very important as part of the day-to-day what you are going to do in the project, in the industry. That I am stimulating here. Training means not just what I know the ABAP. Done already 15 minutes over. Anyone done? At least one table we have done.
Yes, sir.
One table.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, very good. So do the second table also. We are able to insert the, see, I'll tell you how you have to insert the data also. How to insert the data? I'll show you. See here. What you should do is, for example, Mara you have done, right? What you should do? Go to Mara table here. Just take only 10 records. Go to Mara table here. Display, right? Go to the contents. Okay, you can choose the fields, which fields you want. For example, you can execute here. So you can execute this one. You can choose which fields you want to see the data only. Go to here, settings, format, choose fields. Okay, there is option here. Unselect here. And then you can choose which fields you need your data. MANDT, MATNR, right? Material type, industry sector, material group, units of measure, base unit of measure. Apply. You see now only those fields are there now. These fields you should enter data manually through SM30. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This 10 data, right? 10 records data should insert through SM30 like this. Did you understand how I have taken the data? Right? You can check it in the live also. I mean the recording video also, what is going on. Do it for both the tables. Data. Based on these tables, only the topics will go next, going forward. It is must everyone to do this one. If you do all these things right, it will be easy. The next topics in the system, if you do it not just by seeing, everything will be easy in the whole ABAP SAP. Next step after creating these two tables, inserting the data is you should create a foreign key also. You should create data elements as well, all. Okay. Okay. Create a foreign key. Create a foreign key between these two tables. Two tables. So consider Jedmora is the master table. You are seeing my screen, right? Hello? Jedmora is the master table.
But we can't see your screen.
Oh, you can't. Let me share my screen. Okay. Jedmora is the master table. Jedmarcy is the trail table. Trail table. Which field you should create a foreign keys for only MAT and now. Candy cards, you should enter into ZMRC also. Same as how I showed you. Let's take 10 minutes time. Okay, I'll go 10 minutes time. You can ask the doubt, no problem. Does not matter. While you are creating foreign key, if any doubt, I mean, any stuck up, you ask, no problem. I'll guide you. But you should do it now. Similarly, create creating below 4 tables as how we are doing MERE and MERC. Create a table ZVBAK table name. Okay. What fields you should take is you do it parallel, whatever you are doing. So this you don't need to listen what I'm saying. Anyway, this is homework I'm giving. BBAK. Format, choose fields. Deselect MANDT, VLN, document category, transaction group, sales document group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Order reason. Okay, apply. Okay, create one more table like this ZBBAK with these fields. This is sales table. Sales table. Next, create one more field table ZVBAP table. Sales item data. Okay. What fields you can take from here is ABAP. Right, from BBAP, user parameters, close fields, deselect, client, sales document, item number, material number, batch, material group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fields. So you should enter the data and create the table with these fields. At least 10 records. And create a foreign key. foreign key. Consider VBLN of VBAP table as a child table and VBAK table VBLN is parent table. Did you understand what I asked you? Hello? First one done, huh? Anyone stuck up? Okay, do all these tasks by tomorrow class. Okay, I'll stop here today.